2008 Toyota Tacoma Pre-Runner SR5 extended cab or access cab, one owner, 107,000 miles. Wonderful, wonderful condition. Tires are like new brakes, sliding rear window, bed liner. Yes, this is actually a low mileage Toyota Tacoma that is not beat up. One owner in absolutely amazing condition. No accidents, Carfax certified. Black paint is super nice. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Carfax report. Cruise control. 107,000 miles. Four-door access cab. Trailer brake. Tow package. (2008) Toyota Tacoma access cab, pre-runner SR5, 107,000 miles, one owner, in wonderful condition.